Ahmad, let's talk WEDOLit and why you guys acquired it in 2019 as a part of Master Fluid Solutions.
So WEDOLit is based in Düsseldorf in Germany, and we've had a European operation for many years, since about 1998. But we never really had our own manufacturing facility in Germany. So, part of our global expansion, part of basically providing the best metalworking solution to the industrial manufacturers around the world, we wanted to have a better presence in Europe. And we looked, quite a bit around at multiple different companies, and WEDOLit kind of stood out because it has been in business for about 85 years, so it had a long history of being in Germany and providing solutions to the metalworking community. Its portfolio of forming and stamping fluids and very advanced rust preventatives, corrosion prevention fluids sort of complemented what we had in our portfolio from metal cutting side, and the cleaning side and the equipment side. So it was a very nice complement of products. So we acquired it in 2019. Sadly, we basically ended into COVID right away, so we haven't had enough time to kind of fully assimilate the two companies. But we're very excited that in the near future we'll bring the WEDOLit portfolio to our global customers and expand the range of products that we offer to our customers.
Well, I look forward to seeing what's created from it. I see you have your mug right there to go along with it. But I need you to say it with me one more time, because when we speak in German, it has passion behind it.
It does.
So do it with me for the guys on camera one more time. WEDOLit, ready? WEDOLit! WEDOLit! Yes, that's how we do it. So 2019, the acquisition, almost everything that comes out of Germany is high caliber, so congratulations on that. Let's do another video and do WEDOLit moving into the future after you really get it here and across the world.
Exactly.
Yes,
exactly.
that'll
So
be important.
I am excited for having WEDOLit available to our customers around the world. The high-tech German technology and the German experience behind it, and look for these wonderful little gray drums.